Here's how you can make the best Roblox thumbnails on mobile, and you will be absolutely satisfied. Type in scene poses, and I will tell you why in a second. This is the game, and now join it. Click poses, and you can choose whatever poses you like. And now make sure you put green screen. Type in your username and apply to the character. Now you will need to take a screenshot. You will need this app called collage. Type in green and type in blue sky or gradient blue, and you can zoom the green. Click that gray button at the corner of the image and select edit and make saturation 100. Okay, now you will need to zoom in both images. Type in green line no background and then double-click the green image so the green line is behind the green image, and you can zoom it in to make it appear at outliner. Now you will want to screenshot this. Go in gallery and crop the image. Go into CapCut, make a new video and add photo. Take the one that you screenshotted with your Roblox avatar and put it on there. Now go on remove background or remove BG. Crop the section if you have to or more characters and crop it to the one character that you will be choosing. If your character arms are cut off where they have been cropped, put it on the edge. Now you would want to click overlay and go on adjustments. Make sure you sharpen it into 100 for clear results. And increase brilliance. And increase the saturation. And increase the brightness. And increase contrast. Now you would want to go to remove BG. Click auto removal. Click stroke. You can choose any of these, but click solid because this is gonna create an outline for your character, and make sure you choose black. Sharpen the video, not the overlay. Sharpen the video to 100 and do brilliance less than 100 and salutation contrast and brightness. Now go on text. You can type up anything. In fonts, there are many text types and styles that you can choose from. Remember, the joined-up writing will not be clear, and therefore you need to choose the text that would be clear to read. Make the text white and add the background. Clicking on the background, you can make so many adjustments. You can increase the distance of it, or the blur, or the opacity. You can do it however you like. Go on filters and select 8K. This is because it will enhance your thumbnail quality. And then click another 8000 filter, and in total it will make 16K filter sharpness. It's recommended to add at least 3 for the better experience. You will take a screenshot of that and go to gallery. Crop it. If your gallery has colors or a pen to use, then use it. Otherwise, if it doesn't, you can create an outline from any app. Make sure when you're doing an outline for your character, use a pen that is connected to your mobile or your tablet. If you draw with your hand, it's gonna be all messy. I'm gonna create outlines for my thumbnail. If you're done creating an outline for your character in the thumbnail, make sure to sharpen it 100 and use contrast or brightness. And that's how you do your Roblox thumbnails on tablet, phone, or mobile.